When it's unequal, it's when my eyelids are having a bad day. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So, as you can tell, my face is quite swollen. I just woke up. So I'm the kind of person who likes to drink water before I go to bed because I don't know why, but yeah. So because of that, I wake up with a very swollen face, and at times my eyelids are very unequal like that. So today I'm going to share with you guys my favorite product that I use to make my eyelids equal in the morning. So this happens quite often for me. My eyelids are basically like on mood swings. On good days, both of them look like that, thick and great. So when it's unequal, it's when my eyelids are having a bad day. So I will fix them up with this. So this is basically called eye Putti. So I literally bought 2 bottles of this at any point in time. One at my house and one at either work or at my boyfriend's house. So this is like my holy grail because I wake up with such eyelids almost every day. So I easily went through 5 to 6 bottles of this. It's very good. It's basically like a very fast tool for me to fix my eyelid in like 30 seconds. So yes. So I will just pick out some of this like that. And then I will put it on my eyelid where my initial fold is. Okay. Just one strip will do. Leave your eyelid unfolded for a while for it to dry. So this is like eyelash glue. You need to make it tacky before you actually use the glue. So what I will do is to make sure that my fold is folded correctly. Yeah, it's now fixed. And that took like maybe 30 seconds. The eye Putti is not expensive. It's maybe $10+. It's definitely very affordable. I generally don't like to use eyelid tape because it takes up too much time and it's very inconsistent. So this comes with like a stick for you to exactly fold where you want to fold, which will be good for people who don't have the eyelid fold yet. But for myself, I don't really need that because I already have that fold in my eyelid. So yes, quite a short video, but I hope you guys learned something today. And I will see you guys next week for more Asian beauty tips. So if you're interested to find out more tips, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Love me, sub me if you wanna reach me. Bye!